Bam! Welcome back to Straight Into Content, Flash Some Chances, guys. As you can see here, it is what? It is 11:39. Is it showing?
Yeah.
October 20th, 11 days before Halloween. We got a UPS truck. We got a UPS truck, guys. Let me tell you guys how we got this UPS truck. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay, guys, we actually don't have a UPS truck, but what happened was, and I'll take you guys over here. So we are here in Cypress, Texas, and the UPS, and this is why we always tell you guys, we always say, the US Postal Service comes to our house every morning, like it does everybody else there in America. But what happened was, these stupid rocks from the city, you can see right there. No, I gotta be loud for the camera.
Everyone's like,
Baby, as you can see right there, there's a bunch of rocks missing. Go ahead, Sean, pan into that. There's a bunch of rocks missing. So what happened was, the guy was coming right here. He said usually he avoids, and Shelly and I were in bed, and all of a sudden, what do we hear?
boom.
We're like, yo, because somebody hit our dang mailbox before, and we still don't know the culprit. So he popped his tire, and I'll take you guys over here. I'll shine the light on it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's keep the address out of there.
You can't see him move. It's dark over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn the light on. So it popped his tire.
Sorry for you.
Sorry for you. So let's go over here to the light. So guys, he popped his tire and I offered him, you guys know I'm Carl's Garage. If you don't know, go follow Carl's Garage on YouTube. I have a jack and everything to help him out. I thought that they might've had a spare tire. I offered my assistance. He said, no, he's gonna have somebody come and tow it. So he had a new, like a van, like a modern mail truck come, and he parked right here, and I watched him take everything out of here, put it into that truck and drive off. But before he left, he said that he was gonna have somebody come and tow it because the mail place is what, babe?
The post office?
The post office. I'm tired. I was at the gym. The
it's
post
less
office
than a mile.
Yeah, like.
Oh, it might be a mile.
No,
yeah.
We could walk there in like 10 minutes. It's like a 10-minute walk.
Less than a mile.
Yeah, it's so fast. It's
1 minute drive.
The same distance it is to the park it is to the
1 minute drive.
1 minute drive, exactly, right? So I thought that they're gonna have somebody from over there tow it. I mean, we could strap it to the back of the truck and take it, but that was early this morning, like 7 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know what happened, guys, but this is why we tell you, we don't have any control. We tried UPS. They was losing y'all's packages. They was throwing y'all's packages away. They was
smashing them, yeah.
baseball with y'all's packages. So then we went to US Postal Service, and now they leaving trucks and popping tires.
That's why you don't got your package.
This is why you don't got your packages, guys. So we don't know. I hope it's towed by tomorrow, because look at this narrow way. Like, we got the kids playing. They playing all around.
They couldn't even play soccer right here today. They couldn't even play soccer
right here today, guys. So this is just, you know what we do here on Straight Into Content. We give y'all the raw, the real story behind running a business. You see, we was just live. This truck been out here the whole live.
Yeah, it was.
This truck been out here the whole live, guys. So we're going to keep you updated. You know how we do here on Straight Into Content, Flash Some Transfers, guys. So listen, we got the 1999 transfers. We got the, you guys know, 22x24 DTF transfers. We got the pre-made gang sheets, only $15. Everything is already on the website, guys. But again, everybody asks us about shipping. How long does it take? How long does it take? Well, stuff like this happens, and it's just completely out of our control. Completely out of our control. So I actually have a bunch of stuff I need to go pack in tonight. But like I said, please give us just like a little wiggle room when it comes to the shipping part, because we have no control, none at all. And think about it, if they're down a truck, think about how that must, mess up their whole other system. If they're down a truck, or it took him, because he was sitting here for about a good half an hour before they could get another one out here. And then he had to move it all and then continue on with his route. And then they got to come back.
He dumped it.
Yeah,
kept on his route. He's like, boom, dump.
They dumped it for a tire.
I know, you can fix it. Well, they don't have time. They got to keep on their route. He's like, boop, dump, next truck, let's go. Else
that could have just came that ain't in there.
They should have like a mechanic on staff.
Right? I don't know, guys. That's going to be it. I'm going to put this video out. Hopefully you guys see it, man, and give us some relief, because we be trying some grace. Yeah, give us some grace, because people be, where's my package? Especially with the U.S. Postal Service.
Oh my God, tell them right now.
The U.S. Postal Service, yes. So this is what it is with the U.S. Postal Service. With UPS, they give you tracking every single place. The U.S. Postal Service, they do not track.
No,
they
don't scan it.
They maybe scan it when they first get it. And if they even do that, that's about the last scan you're going to see when you type in that tracking number for the U.S. Postal Service. Please do not email us talking about something, where's my package? It is on its way. Okay,
let me tell you something real quick. Today, they not only scan it in, this lady said they reported it, invalid address, return to sender. So she told me, if you get it, can you send it back? I'm like, of course. Da, 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 da. She's like, never mind, it just showed up.
Oh,
It's like, oh my, we're stressing over nothing. Babe, how it just showed up after they filed a claim?
I don't know.
Anyways, we never know.
That's it, guys. You remember when we went? We went to the U.S. Postal Service. We got it on video. Remember when we asked Tim about it? You know what I mean? I mean, when we went to UPS, when we asked Tim, like, hey, what's going on with UPS? He told us. That's on video. So now we're doing the same thing with the U.S. Postal Service. Guys, we don't have any other options. Everything else is super expensive, and we don't want to make it super expensive for you guys. So please, like Chelly said, when it comes to shipping, that is 100% out of our control. That's why we have everybody sign a service agreement, because soon as we pass it off, it is 100% on them. Now, the only thing that I like about the U.S. Postal Service is that everyone in America, in the continental United States, and in the other territories, you can walk into your local postal service and get some type of in. With UPS, it's very hard. They have a corporate thing, and they are not in the business of giving your package back. So, because we haven't had anything lost with U.S. Postal, that is a fact. It just seems lost because they don't track it. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I got Chelly up. I'm sure she wanted a cheeseburger or something like that. So I'm gonna go get you. No, I'm not trying to play you, man. I know you're hungry. I've been out at the gym all night, and I know you're hungry. So I'm gonna go feed you because I love you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
And guys, do not forget your pre-made gang sheets. Right now, they are selling like hotcakes. They will always be $15. We have the breast cancer pre-made gang sheets. We have the Halloween pre-made gang sheets. What other pre-made gang sheets do we have?
We have fall
pre-made gang sheets.
Mental health awareness.
Mental health awareness pre-made gang sheets already on the website?
Oh no, I was thinking images.
Yeah, what pre-made gang sheets?
Oh, just Halloween and breast cancer.
Yep.
Yes, sorry.
But we're going to be doing Thanksgiving, Christmas, $15 pre-made gang sheets, guys. Make sure you go and get them. This is just one. Now, of course, see, I got more. This is two, but these are for, so we can make little videos like this. But this right here, 27, let me see where it starts. Yes, right here. All this, 27 4-inch images. Can't beat that. Get a pen of that. Get a pen of that, guys. 27 4-inch images. You really can't beat that. Really can't beat that, guys. For only $15, we made these. Now, if you need a custom DTF gang sheet, you can get that for only $19.99. Remember, if you spend over $99, you're gonna get free shipping. So go on over to flashcustomtransfers.com. Go ahead, get you a new gang sheet. Maybe you wanna get a U.S. Postal Service gang sheet. I don't know. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, guys, email us. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com.